So my name's Ollie Bridgwater and I'm the Executive Head Chef at the Gilpin Hotel Lake House. So my main role here is to head up the Michelin Star restaurant named Source, which we launched in February last year. We have 20 chefs in the kitchen to oversee all of the hotel operations and 18 front of house to cover the breakfast, lounge service, room service, and the fine dining menus that we run 7 days a week, every day of the year. The vision for the restaurant here at Source in particular is to just create an amazing dining experience for the guests. I think everybody wants a lot more than just good food now. We're trying to create a really fun experience, almost like a night out. I worked for a long time at the Fat Duck, getting on for a decade, and now I really learn how to be a leader, how to be creative, and how to, run a business. After 10 years, I think it's quite natural to want to go out and try and pull all those skills together yourself. So it's something that, I sort of snapped at the opportunity to come here and sort of get in the mix of it all, really. We have a short experience of 7 courses, or we have a longer experience of 11, 12 courses. So it's up to the guests to decide how long they want to be with us, but they're guaranteed a good time when they're here. Aside from the main restaurant, we have a second restaurant, which is a Pan-Asian restaurant named Gilpin Spice. It's very, very different from Source restaurant, which gives guests an option for the second night of their stay, or even their third night of their stay, to try something completely different. We have loud music, open fire, open kitchen, and it's a real gem in the Lake District to try something really, really different. So it's very popular with locals around here and non-residents, and it just gives that second experience during their stay. So we have the Michelin Star one night, we have Pan-Asian, and then those amazing rooms. We really try to offer the full package. So here at the main hotel, we have 30 rooms, including some spa suites, which are dotted around the site. We have a sister property a mile down the road, which has another 8 rooms, also including spa suites and lodges. So the spa suites are really luxurious rooms, built for the purpose of having all of the spa facilities included in the room. They're really, really private, really, really well finished to a high standard. The food scene here at the minute is really booming. The produce, the suppliers, and the local people are so passionate about all of those things. So success is to continue to have a really busy restaurant, and to make sure that we're having a great culture and we're really enjoying ourselves and cooking great food, and we're all moving forward. We feel like we've got a real big mountain to climb to get to where we want to be, but we're really focused on taking just one step at a time, and it's a really exciting journey. So success is a happy team and a busy restaurant.